In today's video on Google Ads, we will be teaching you how you can control and give the access of your Google Ads account to another person or a particular third person, and how you can be able to access someone else's account. Now, why is this necessary? Now, let us say you are a freelancer or running a digital marketing agency and you are managing your clients' accounts. So you are not going to be getting all your clients' Gmail account username and password. Why? Because they have a lot of personal things connected. So the proper and the correct way to do the process is that the account owner will be giving you an access role from their main admin, and they are only giving limited access and you can only do limited actions in their account. This ensures security and it is easy. Now you can manage the account on their behalf, and if this is your business and you want to give access to a freelancer, digital marketing agency or your team member, or you are giving it to someone for working, you can do that. So this is the purpose of giving or receiving the access for an ad account. Now I'll be explaining it to you very easily. It's very simple how you can give or receive access to your account. Now I am on one of the Google Ads accounts that I operate. I created a new account, Travel with Guptas. So this account has been made from my Google email ID. So this is that account. Now when I will be going to the dashboard on the Google Ads dashboard, here on the left side you will see the admin option at the bottom, and it will be there for you also. So you will click on admin settings. When you will come to that particular settings, so when you will click on the left side, you will see 4 options: account settings, preference, and then notifications, access and security. Basically we need to click on access and security. So after this, here we have 3 options: users, managers and security. So here the option for users is coming. So in Travel with Guptas ad, the email ID I used to create the ad account is the admin. So here we have the access level as admin. Now admin level is the highest access level. If you have given someone else the admin access of your account, so it means you have essentially handed over your account to them, and maybe they might remove you or delete the account or misuse it. So think carefully. Before admin access is given to someone else, and you should not just assign it, because it has been a long time, since the past 15 years. I have been running a digital marketing agency and we've worked with so many clients. We have been running ads and provide different Facebook services. So then there have been so many times that we have seen they were running their ads somewhere, or maybe like they gave someone access to the account, like they gave it to a friend or a brother or someone like a cousin or an unknown person, and they gave that person the admin role. And then if there was any form of dispute about anything, so now they are not getting access and are demanding money, and or they gave the access to someone who does not exist only, and they did not do anything wrong, but now they don't have touch. So then what? People make a lot of mistakes like this that affect their main accounts. Sometimes they do not have access to the account and their control is not there. So you should never make any of these mistakes. And you are learning this particular Google Ads course from a digital marketing agency, and we will be teaching you all the practical aspects along with the strategies, so that you can work in this field from the very beginning like a complete professional. So here when you will come to the admin section and you want to give the access, so I'll click on the plus sign, the add symbol. So I clicked on it. So here I will put the email ID that I want to give access to. So I will be putting in my own email ID, one of my other Gmail ID. So I am going to be typing here Hitesh Gupta, then 2010 @gmail.com. I put in the email ID. Okay, so now I want to give this particular email ID the authority. Now this particular Gmail ID, when I will be giving access to this Gmail ID, the one I've just entered. Okay, so then the invitation will go from here to there. Then they will be able to access the Google Ads account, irrespective of whether they have a Google Ads account or not. Even then they can do it. For example, now look, I've entered the email ID here. Access expires. Now how long do you want to give this access for? You can specify it here. You can set a date, time and a limit for when this access will expire. If you don't want to put it in select never, it's up to you. You can manually remove it. Here what is the access that we should give? Just the email, and they can check the reports. Let's say you've taken consultancy from someone to get guidance, and you ask them to just look at the reports and analyze them. So just give them the email address. If you give the billing access, so it is possible that your accounts team or any team will need regular bills. They will keep asking you to generate bills, but you can't keep doing that, right? So you gave them the option to view billing and edit billing information. Here, the read only option means that the person will be able to see everything so that they can monitor the entire account. That access has been given. Next, standard access. They have all the access and they run campaigns, basically do everything. But they can't add users, they can't add product links and things like that. They can't do any of those major things. Now the admins have access to everything and they are the owner in a way, and you should not make anyone the admin. Unless and until you have to make them. Or if you have a lot of trust in them, then also you can do it. Or else the best option is standard access. You can give standard access and set a particular time limit. It's your decision. You can also remove manually. After doing this, you will send an invitation. When you send the invitation, it will be pending as it will be going to Hitesh Gupta's email. After it is accepted, then only something will happen. Now let's see what Hitesh Gupta is doing. So what will Hitesh Gupta do? He will come here. So to whichever third party whose email ID you gave access to, they will go to their email ID and open it, and will be seeing that there is a mail from Google Ads and Travel with Guptas from where an ad account. An invitation has come, so should I accept it? If you want to, then you can, or you can choose not to. I accepted it. Now as soon as I accepted the invitation, okay, so then soon after that, hello and welcome to Google Ads. To accept the invitation, sign in. Now I will select continue, so it will take me to the sign in page. Now we will be going back to Travel with Guptas. Let us refresh and see. Okay, so I am going to refresh the page and then see. Okay, so in this particular page, 1 second, I'll close this guide tab. Okay, so now this is showing as awaiting response, and it is not necessary that you are going to be getting the head-to-head update. So as soon as we will get that update here, it will be written here that we have, and the update will come down from top to here. Let's try again. We will refresh it and see if it has come or not. Okay, let's select continue. If it happens, then fine. If not, then later. And this is not a problem. So now I have come inside the campaign, and I will be just going there one more time and refresh the page. Let's see if it came or not. Okay, so the page has been updated. Now I am the main admin. So now Hitesh Gupta has the standard access. Now in future, if I need to remove the access, and I don't need anyone for this, my job is done. So what is here? I will be going to the access level option here, and I can change this option whenever I need to change it. Okay, let's say you want to increase, decrease, or completely remove access. So I'll directly click on the remove access button. I'll remove access directly, okay? I'm not doing it. Okay, so then I showed you how to make someone an admin and how to remove from admin. What standards should we give? What things should we keep in mind? I have explained everything. So I hope that you will be able to now remove or add all this by yourself. Okay, understood? Thank you.